Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to share with you a review on this machine. This one is the xTool M1 integrating laser processing and blade cutting machine. And I'll share with you all the things that you can make with it, and I'll show you lots of samples that I made. So stay with me. I'm going to start with an open box and show you how the machine comes. Can you see it comes in a double box? The first one is just for the packaging, and this one is the one that has the machine and these accessories. And now, as you can see, it has pieces of this white stuff that covers, so your machine comes in an excellent condition. And as you can see, everything comes wrapped in plastics. And when you open the lid, you will find the user's manual written in 11 languages. And then you will see the material samples that you can use for the first time. Then the exhaust pipe, then accessories for connecting the pipe. Then you will find the power adapter and the power cable, the USB cable, a pack of blades. It comes 5 in this pack, and when you take this one out, you will find the triangular prisms to raise the materials when you use the laser. And right here, you have to be careful with this piece. Just slide it, and then you will find 2 mats. And this is how it looks, the workspace. Then when you close the lid, you can peel this plastic from the cover. This is the user's manual, and it's written in 11 languages. I highlighted the ones in English so I can find everything about the machine. After you unpack the machine, you are going to install the smoke exhaust pipe. You have to use a piece that you have to connect to the machine using these screws. And you don't need a screwdriver to attach these to the machine because the screws are fancy like this. They have no lines where to put the tool, so you just have to do it with your hands to attach it to the machine. And once you are done with it, you are going to connect the smoke exhaust pipe on top and press and put it on top and use the clamp to secure them both together. And the other side of the smoke exhaust pipe goes to the window. Now you have to connect the xTool M1 to a power supply with a power adapter. And now you have to connect the USB cable. One side will go to the machine and the other side will be connected to your computer. And here are more items that you will get with a machine. For example, these cutting mats that has one side in inches and the other side in millimeters. Then you will receive a sticker paper, a basswood, a piece of PU leather, and a vinyl, and all of them measure 8.5 by 11. It also includes a metal dog tag, and this is a lubricant for the machine. Then this box of 5 blades for cutting the vinyl. And you have to be extra careful when you pull this one because they are very sharp. And you will find these triangular prisms that are 10 pieces that you can accommodate on the workspace according to the size of your material. And that's for raising, for example, the basswood or other materials when you use the laser. After you connect the machine, you have to download the software from xtool.com and you will see a creative space on your computer, and that's where you have to work. I didn't record the screen of my computer while I was working with the software, but I'm going to show you step by step in the future tutorials. Right now, I want to show you what you can do with this machine. I use the designs from Creative Fabrica, and you will find the links in the description box as well. And here the machine is working on the 3mm basswood, and it's cutting with a laser. And I fast forward this part because it took more than 42 minutes to cut just the first layer. And as you can see, this one is done, and it's a sign that says Christie's Craft Room, and this is the first layer. And the second part was the word Christie that took 12 minutes and 50 seconds. And the last one was the circle that I cut at 4 minutes and 35 seconds. And to finish this one, I will paint in different colors. And here is the final result. I use acrylic paint, and now you can see all the details of this design. Using the laser, you can make big signs and personalize them. And for my next project, I engraved on a cutting board, and I use this one that is about 10 millimeters, and you have to look at the grains and choose the one that has less dark spots. And this sign says meals and memories are made here. The impression of the engraving on this material looks amazing. Looks very, very nice. And here is a sneak peek of how the machine is engraving on the dog tag that it's metal. I think it's a stainless steel. And look, it looks like this. It's so beautiful. You just touch it. There is nothing rough. And you can engrave in both sides. See, maybe you can have the information of your pet in the other side. Then I installed the blade on the machine and I cut the vinyl. And I was amazed on how fast it did it. It did it only in 1 minute and 20 seconds. Well, it was a small word, but super fast. Then I with the vinyl and I just got it ready to apply to a cup. Now it's so popular to decorate cups, and mine is ready for Thanksgiving. This is permanent vinyl, and you can decorate for seasons. You can decorate for a shower, for many occasions, and it's so fantastic to have a decorated mug. See? Or for a gift, especially for a gift. And if you are in a business, there are so many ideas in the website of xTool.com. Then for this material that is PU leather, I engraved. Yes, I engraved the quote that says, "Crafting empties my wallet but fills my soul." And I'm going to make me a small purse with this one. And I didn't record the part where the machine was working, but I can show it to you the next time. And for the last project, I made stickers. And this one is a process of printing and cutting. Once you put the image, the machine asks you to print first and then come back and position the paper and cuts it for you. And it takes only 2 minutes to cut all these stickers. This machine is equipped with a high-resolution camera that helps you visualize the entire workspace in real time. I'm going to keep making videos to share with you everything about this machine. And please let me know in the comments, how do you like this one? What would you like to see in a future video? If you want to know more about this machine, visit the store. The link is going to be in the description box. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.